Curl and wave is simply the measurement on how straight the hair is. The larger the number, the straighter the hair is. It is known as the distance in a straight line between the starting point and the ending point of a wave, like the small bow-shaped part of your hair. For hair that comes with body wave, 36 millimeters is what you would get when measuring with a ruler, and 32 millimeters for slide wave hair when you do the same. As we all know that the degree of straightness of people's hair varies considerably due to many factors such as genetics and ethnicity. That is also why we offer a wide range of waves for you to select for accuracy purposes. In the case of not sending us your hair sample to match with the curl, it is quite remarkable for you to select the one that most approximates your own hair in terms of level of curl and wave. By doing so, achieving the most natural and realistic integration of the hair system into your existing hair becomes one step closer. Thanks for watching the video. See you later.